Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Saturday. Robin and I changed up the weekend a little bit. It's a 3-day weekend for Robin, and she does have some plans with her brother in a day or two. So we decided to go shopping today, this morning, instead of tomorrow and Sunday. The crowd wasn't bad at all. So, yes, things have been moved around a little bit. We got our shopping done, and so tonight I'll be cooking. I wasn't supposed to cook tonight, but Robin and I are going to actually tag team tonight's meal. So yesterday, Robin was in Oakland at a meeting and didn't get home till 8:30ish. So I had the Friday Home Alone meal, which consisted of a home-cooked hamburger, a leftover hot dog, and French fries, and plenty of ketchup and everything. Yes, I like my hot dogs with ketchup. Sue me. There's no right way. All right, tonight is chicken and avocado enchiladas with green sauce. Yummy recipe. First time for this one. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. I got to cook up some chicken. The enchilada pan. So I'm using chicken thighs, good old Mission flour tortillas, the avocados, which are in sale at Rayleigh's Bel Air for $3 for $5. A little bit of kosher salt, some black pepper. The Monterey Jack cheese will go inside the enchiladas. There's the green sauce. We got some Hatch green chilies that will probably go inside and outside, depending on how I feel and Robin feels. Inside the mixture is going to be some cumin and some California chili powder. This cheddar jack blend will go on top of the enchiladas. Some limes, wedges for serving. There's cilantro inside and outside, and green onions. Yeah. So, a lot of goodiness going on tonight. And one of the things I'm going to do today is put together a full batch of Baharat spice mix. This is a Mediterranean and or Egyptian spice mix. Not all the spices are there because a couple of them are over in the enchiladas. But I'll be putting together a full batch of the Baharat spice mix. That's my Saturday. I'm looking forward to working in the kitchen with Robin. So on this Saturday, on Memorial Day weekend, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.